In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Cash App can't add cash problem. So let's get straight into the video. Generally, this happens because of your internet connection. So try checking your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And you can also try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. If that is not the case, it could also be your Cash App account. So you want to simply go ahead and make sure that you have verified your identity in your Cash App account, which is going to go ahead and fix your problem. If that is not the case, also check if the service is down. You can simply go ahead and search for Cash App server. You can also check your bank details. If it is incorrect, then you might be having some problem as well. Then you want to simply go ahead and review your add cash limits as well, because there is a cash limit on your Cash App. So if that is not the case, your app could also have an update. Simply go ahead and update it, or you could also try removing and re-adding your bank, which should go ahead and fix your problem. If that doesn't work, then you might have no other options but to reinstall your application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.